Christmas like a lullaby steals across the land. A breeze upon the water, rainfall upon the sand. We celebrate a baby born from spirit into man. And Christmas like a lullaby steals across the land. It's morning in Australia. In fact, it's Christmas Day. And Colorado never seems so very far away. Back where night has fallen, and it's still Christmas Eve, and snow is on the mountains where I always hate to leave. Here I am down under with a brand new family, and Christmas bells are ringing, and there's presents beneath the tree. I know that it's been said before, and now I know it's true, that home is where the heart is, and Christmas lives there too. Our fervent prayer, and I can hear it being whispered softly everywhere. And guns are called to silence, and anger called to still, and brotherhood and sisterhood surrounded by goodwill. Christmas like a lullaby steals across the land. The breeze upon the water, rainfall upon the sand. We celebrate a baby born from spirit into man. And Christmas like a lullaby